What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. So the last couple of weeks, I didn't make a video last week because I don't know. I was just kind of unsure, man. A little unsure about, long term. It's hard. It's really hard sometimes to figure out where a price is going to go. Bigger picture, like I think you really have to nail it, and I don't know that we're there. I don't know that we're there necessarily. So I mean, USD CAD, I was hoping maybe we would come up. I sold up here, I held it. It pushed up again, and it was like, what the hell? But I held through, and it dropped again. And I ended up taking profit on that on Friday. Got out of that. I took a couple of losses on other pairs. It was like I got in, took a loss onshore, got in, took a loss onshore, got in, took a loss. You know what I mean? Just the same old bullshit with me is like I can't, like... I have to be patient and wait for stuff and stop. Because every time I push a fucking button, man, I swear to God, it's a loss. And it's really difficult sometimes. I am up right now for the year. Not much, but I am up. Ever so slightly. But basically, yeah, it looks like USD CAD might be pushing back up, because this does not look... Yeah, this doesn't look like we're going down. This looks like it's going up. Yeah, look at this. Weekly chart. I would be very surprised if this goes down. And if it does, it's going to be short term. Especially with what the Fed said and all that. Yeah, dollar's going to keep going up. Dollar's definitely going to keep going up. So I'm looking at Aussie going, okay, well, this looks like we got a bit of an expansion going on here on the weekly here. And it was kind of crazy how price kind of, even with what the Fed said, this pushed higher. Right? Because the way the Fed was sounding, it's like, okay, well, we're not lowering interest rates. We're going to hold firm longer. Like, okay. And then Aussie was going up. Well, it looks like it went up to sweep highs to get everyone out that was short here before the next leg down. This seems like a bigger overall correction here, maybe. So I know I'm usually early, so I want to start looking for sells on Aussie USD. Could this be it? We did sweep this high, possibly, but I don't know. I think that potentially we might get a little pullback, one more push to the upside, coming up into this 0.67000 level, and I will definitely be looking for a short from up there. 100% I'll be looking for a short from up there. Just chart-wise, it looks perfect. Yeah, and then NZD. Yeah, if this makes another move up, maybe it comes up and sweeps this high here. Or maybe it falls short. But I still think we probably have a little bit more to go. Yeah, if you look at Euro USD especially, right? This thing could probably correct one more push up into here somewhere and then go. Yeah, 100%. So maybe we could expect like a pin bar reversal candle this week out of Euro, potentially. So I think what I'm gonna do this week, right now I'm out of everything, and I sold USD Swiss franc as well. I remember mentioning this level in the last video that I made was a USD Swiss franc shooting up and hitting this 0.92000 level, and then when I saw it happen in real time, and I saw that we got this and then this, I entered this up here right at this level, and we got a nice push to the downside, and I was like, shit, okay, I took that. But this, I don't know, this just looks like an expanding pattern here that looks like it maybe pushes down one more and then it rips higher, because this does not look like it's ready to just go back down. This is a bullish pattern. This pattern that we have on the monthly chart, this is a bullish pattern. We've actually broken out from it, and it looks like we're getting to retest. So that's why I'm saying if we get this is why I think we minimum we might have one more correction, one more move to the downside, and then a huge move to the upside. So that is what I think is coming across the board. And then if you look at Aussie, it's like, well, yeah, look at this. Looks like one more move to the upside, coming up into this area, and then down. USD Swiss franc looks the same. Euro USD, could that happen? Totally. Totally. Right? Little correction, one more move to the upside, getting up to like here somewhere, and then down. Because the trend is down right here. So I think what I'm going to do this week is watch like USD CAD, for instance. Maybe I'll trade this. If we can get one more push to the downside, coming further into support here, because this is support right here. This whole area is support. You know what I mean? This was all resistance, now support. And you can already see that price came down, touched this area, and we got an engulfing candle. So there's definitely buyers down here. Nice engulfing candle. Is there a possibility this just shoots up from here? Yeah, maybe. So I'm gonna be looking to just watch price this week and not put all my chips on the table right up front. So I'm basically planning for, you know, I'm planning for, okay, well, let's say Aussie, right? Let's say that this was the last move. It came up and it swept this high, and it is now ready to just start crashing down. That's a possibility. So I threw a sell order here, and I want to get some sort of retracement up back into this zone, and I will sell some here. Then I'm going to watch this position very, very carefully. And if price comes shooting back up for any reason, then I'm going to expect that it's going to be going up to there. And then I'm really going to, like, if we get that next push up, I'm going to, like, I'll be all in on that. On a few different pairs, I'll be all in, the entire account, like, good to go. But I'm always early, and I know I'm always early, so I want to be patient on my entry here. Yeah, I just don't see this being it, and it just goes. You know, weekly chart-wise, we could definitely get another wick up, right? And then candle body, and start heading down. So I'm going to be watching, and who knows, it might be just a pin bar we get this week. Maybe price kind of works down, shoots up, and then starts coming back down by the end of the week, and we get a pin bar on the weekly by the end of the week. That could be possibly what's going to be happening. So yeah, that is my plan as of right now. Is just kind of maybe try to get an Aussie right here, short, and see what happens. Because price might come down into support here, and then shoot up for one more. Maybe it comes down correctively or something like that. Shoots up for one more, and then we get a big drop. And that would be the same for most majors, I would imagine. Ooh, that looks good. That looks promising. Well, let's hope these cryptos start to rip, man. Seems like they've taken out lows. Oh yeah, Bitcoin has come down and swept lows. I think we're looking good in the cryptos, man. But yeah, we will see. And I am weary of those freaking cryptos, man. Silver's pulling back. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, silver's pulling back into support right now. I hope for a... Oh, that's just an ugly candle there on the monthly. That's ugly. It's insane. It's insane. The more I look at silver and gold, and it's like, God, man. You've seen house prices and car prices and groceries, and all of this stuff has gone through the roof. But silver's gone nowhere. Over the last 100 years, silver has gone fucking nowhere. That's weird. And there's an increasing demand for it. It's almost as if we're being lied to. It's almost as if gold and silver and copper are worth a lot more than what we're being led to believe. So I'm going to continue to stack silver, copper, gold, whatever I can get my hands on. Precious metals, hell yeah. Because when this system breaks, it's gonna blow up. And I think that time is coming. I think that time is coming sooner than later. Because if it doesn't, we're all in big trouble. In my opinion, we're in big trouble. But anyways, guys, see you later.